Making money online can be annoying sometimes due to high minimum withdrawal, low revenue, and then a risk of getting scammed or falling into platforms which will waste your time without paying you. In this video, I'm taking you through a very reliable way to make money online sitting at the comfort of your home. The only thing you need is a good network and then a mobile phone or a laptop. Subscribe to my channel for more educative and useful content. So this platform is an affiliate website, so without wasting our time, let's quickly launch our web browser. So from this web browser, I'll recommend Chrome. Yes, so let's use Chrome. So from this web browser, you type entireweb.com. So this is the website you're using. The link will be dropped in the description, so you can click on the link in the description and then you sign up for this website. So please don't be in a hurry to do this because maybe you might do it in the wrong way. So kindly follow me. Let me take you through this step by step so you understand everything properly. So this website pays you for every single click or any person you refer to their site. You can see you can earn up to $0.20 per every click. Yes. So let's quickly rush to the website. When you click on sign up, this is the page that comes. So you make sure you input all your credentials, your first name and then the last name. With a tracking ID, you can input your name with some numbers, yes, or maybe your name. You can input only your name. So let's move to the username. They are requesting for email. Yes, for the username, they are requesting for email. So you put any valid email over there as the username. Okay, do you mean gmail.com? Yeah, so let's click on yes, that little yes over there. So you have to create your new password. It should be a very strong password. So you retype the password. Make sure it matches so that you won't get any problem. With the company name, everything here is optional. There is no need to add them. But then for educational purpose, for the reason of my channel, let me just put my channel's name. Alright, so I'll have to insert the link of my channel. With this channel, I upload more useful content, so quickly rush back to the home page and then subscribe to my channel. So copy the link from here, paste. All these are optional, so please don't worry much about this. You would have to skip this process. It is an optional thing, so you would have to skip the process. The street, the city, the state, all these things are optional. But the country is very, very important. The country is required. So I'm a Ghanaian, so let's choose Ghana. And then you have to read, or there is no need to read the terms and conditions. Just have to agree. And then you click on sign up. So from here, your account has been successfully created. You'll be sent an email, so let's check whether the email has arrived. Alright, I don't think so. I don't think it has arrived. So let's quickly leave here and then go back to our page and continue. So click on login and then log in with your username and then the password. Make sure you don't forget them after you use them. So let's log in. So click on login. You wait for the page to load and then you input your login details. That is the email, which is the username, and then the password. All right, so the account has been created now. So this is the home page. So this is what comes first. So you can see the link at the top there. That is your affiliate link. That is the link you share. You have to share out. And whenever people register or clicks on the link, you'll be paid per click, not registration, per click. So when people click on the link, you'll be paid, and that is it. So let me take you through more things so you can feel how interesting and then beneficial this site is going to be. So I want to take you through their payment method. So I think their payment method is PayPal. According to my country, the only payment method allowed is PayPal. So make sure you have a PayPal account. I'll use this opportunity to introduce an incoming topic. Yes, how to create a PayPal account, especially in Ghana. How to create a PayPal account, especially in Ghana, Nigeria, and then in Africa. How to create a PayPal account. So you have to do that, and make sure you fill all this informations. And then your minimum payout, I think, is $100. Yes, so their minimum payout is $100. The minimum payout. So when you click on the affiliate link, it brings the person straight to this place. So as soon as the person gets to this page, you'll be paid, and that is how it works. So that is the link. You have to copy it and then you share it out to people. So you can see this is the dashboard, the clicks and impressions. Thank you for watching this video. Catch you up in my next episode.